Hello, my posse! I'm Miss Paws, and I'm kicking off this course the same way my professor, the late great Patrick Winston of MIT, began his legendary 6034 Intro to AI class. We're going to start out with none other than Elon Musk, the man who needs no introduction. Musk once said, "With artificial intelligence, we're summoning the demon." In case you're wondering, he made that remark even before his own AI chatbot, Grok AI, started frequently turning against him. Now, I'm starting with this quote because AI has become this bogeyman in the minds of a lot of people. I mean, we hear it constantly, right? AI will take over humanity. AI will take over the world. I have a sore paw today because of AI. Okay, well, that last one is true. It does require enormous efforts to type prompts into ChatGPT, so I can write personalized congratulatory notes to all my students on their college acceptances. But here's the thing. While AI has its fair share of issues, and trust me, we will be talking a lot about this in future modules, we also sound a little ridiculous. So let's try something. Let's swap out AI for what it really is. Statistics. Now let's read it again. With statistics, we are summoning the demon. Yeah, that sounds funny, doesn't it? Now that we have that out of the way, let's get to the core of artificial intelligence. We're trying to replicate human intelligence with computers. Well, at least I'm told that humans are intelligent, though I do have my doubts. Anyway, to understand human intelligence, we must first ask ourselves, what makes humans human? How are they different from other animals? Feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments. Let me tell you what two of the great computer scientists, Alan Turing and Marvin Minsky, believed. They said it was reasoning that distinguished humans from other species, the ability to think in a multiplicity of ways that are hierarchical, that reasoning was key and not a byproduct of intelligence. My professor, Patrick Winston, thought both of the gentlemen were wrong. Mind you, Minsky was Winston's academic advisor. Winston believed the key to human intelligence wasn't reasoning, it was storytelling. I'm going to show you something cool. The Lascaux caves. These caves, located in southwestern France, date back around 17,000 years. They're filled with intricate paintings, horses, abstract symbols, and arrangements that suggest that early humans were able to merge ideas and tell stories. So Winston's point was this: if we want machines to be more like humans, or like me for that matter, I'd say I'm a raconteur myself, we need machines to have the ability to merge ideas and tell stories. Now that we understand human intelligence a bit better, let's get back to AI. Scientists break artificial intelligence into two categories. Narrow AI, where systems perform a single task really well. A single AI model may be able to respond to voice commands, but it can't recognize faces, for example. And artificial general intelligence, AGI, a system that can learn, reason, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks. The kind of AI you see in movies, the ones that can do everything. But we're not there yet. We're still at narrow AI. Some folks believe we're getting close to AGI, especially with the rise of large language models, LLMs like ChatGPT. And yes, they're impressive. But many skeptics argue that LLMs still lack true understanding and reasoning. They can't generalize to new situations the way humans can. So no, we're not summoning demons anytime soon. I'd like to take this moment to introduce a few more terms that we will use in the upcoming modules. AI, machine learning or ML, and deep learning. AI is the catch-all term. It's the term lay people are most familiar with. If we look at our Venn diagram, the part of the diagram that falls under AI only are the types of models where we explicitly give the machine instructions. If this happens, then do this. If that happens, then do that. They're the simplest type of AI models. Then, let's look at the machine learning part of the diagram. It includes the type of models which learn patterns from big data, essentially lots of data. Then there's deep learning. The models are inspired by human brains and contain multiple layers. Computer scientists often use machine learning as the catch-all term. We will be using all three terms interchangeably for the most part. Well, that's all for today. Stay tuned for the next video where we learn more about the history of artificial intelligence. Hey you! Yes you! Interested in MehtA AI and Machine Learning Certification Program? Register online for this paid program to access homework, sample questions, and eligibility quiz to receive certificates. Students 18 and younger can earn titles such as AI Explorer, AI Scholar, and AI Fellow. And adults can be invited to be AI experts. We also offer one-on-one AI mentorships for students and professionals, and free MehtA AI Lab resources for any K-12 and undergrad students wanting to launch their own AI club. Full details on our website. Don't procrastinate.
M-E to the H-T-A plus, that's my zone. Leaping hurdles, breaking boundaries, never alone. Miss Paws on the block.